Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is my Bhopal blog. We went there for a tournament for 5 days. First, we took a train from Agra Kent and we reached Bhopal at around 10 p.m. Then we found a PG to stay in and that's where we lived for the next few days. After that, we went to the ground where the tournament was being held. Actually, we reached a bit late because of train delay. So the tournament had already started and the other team started their match. Right now they are doing hanging pole. These are my teammates. Everyone was enjoying themselves. Here I am doing rope welcome. It is a bit difficult. I was performing different elements, asan like padmasan, few flexibility elements. This game is all about strength, balance, and flexibility. So, I'm performing few elements, and after that, I'm performing pole malkham. For your information, this was the MP State game, and honestly, MP and Maharashtra team were amazing. They are a real professional in both rope and pole malkham. For girls, there's a two apertures, rope malkham and pole malkham. On other hand, for boys there are three apertures, rope, pole and hanging pole. For the time duration 1 minute 30 seconds we perform 18 elements under the time limit. So this is the stadium where the setup was made and Bhopal weather was quite pleasant though a bit humid at times. Here my team and later we went out exploring. We did boating and visiting many lakes because Bhopal is known as the city of lakes. During the visiting lakes, we clicked so many pictures and enjoy every moment with my friends, with my juniors, to with everyone. Really, I'm enjoying every moment. Then we went to the national park. First, we went Snake Park and Zoo and also visited several temples. We really enjoy our times. Bhopal is such a clean and beautiful city. Later, our boys' team had their match. Now they are doing rope malkham, and after that, they are performing pole malkham, and after that, they are performing hanging pole malkham because boys have three apart.
Namami
After the boys' match, we also visited a temple of Lord Shiva. I forget its names, but it was really peaceful and there. After sightseeing, at the end of the tournament, there was a dance performance where all teams participated and we danced too. This is the Maharashtra team. They are very good friends of us. We all had a great time and enjoy a lot. We enjoy with our sir also, with our ma'am. Finally, the trophy distributed took place. The Maharashtra and MP team won, along with many other teams who performed wonderfully. Overall, it was amazing experience. Everything went so well. Seriously, I loved my 5 days.